Healthbreak is brought to you by Dignity Health Central Coast.
The Weight Loss Surgery Institute at Dignity Health Central Coast is the only comprehensive weight loss surgery program on the California Central Coast. Dr. Edward Felix says most commonly they perform gastric bypass and gastric sleeve procedures.
We also do a fair amount of revisional surgery now and complex bariatric surgery. Bariatric surgery is a great operation, but there can be things that develop years after bariatric surgery which require further surgery or further treatment. And there are those patients who, for one reason or the other, gain back some of their weight, and they require what's called revision bariatric surgery.
In the long term, gastric bypass and sleeve gastrectomy procedures are 80% effective.
So you have about 20% of patients who will have weight regain. Some of that weight regain is just because of bad habits. The first thing we do is to try and change those habits. We don't want to change anatomy because someone is eating poorly. We do studies to evaluate whether there is a change in their anatomy or something that needs to be corrected. If there is something anatomically that we can correct, then we need to do that because that'll get them back on the road to recovery and make them re-lose that weight or lose more weight if they haven't lost enough. We've got to change the eating habits, but patients do deserve a second chance.
For more information, visit dignityhealth.org/Central Coast. I'm Kristen Presall.
Healthbreak was brought to you by Dignity Health Central Coast.